Yes,
Am I
ma'am.
allowed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I want to know first of all, am I too fast? Am I too slow? Are you enjoying the class? Because the aim is you must learn something, oh. You must learn something in this class. So tell me, am I too fast? Am I too slow? Let me know. Melody, am I talking too fast or am I talking too slow?
No, ma'am.
Oh, all right. And I want to know, are you also enjoying the class? Are you learning something? Let me know, Melody, Deborah. Are you learning something?
Yes, ma.
Yes,
Yes, ma.
ma'am.
All right, all right. Thank you. All right, so I'm going to be sharing my screen right now. So the next thing you're going to be seeing is my screen. Don't mind. All right, so I pray it talks though, but don't worry. I want to know I want to know if you can hear her talk. Please, if you can hear her talk, can you wave your hands? Can you say that you can hear her? If you can hear her talk, please, can you signify? Melody, can you hear her talk?
No, ma. I
How
can't hear her at the moment.
about now?
No, ma. I cannot
We
still
can't
hear
we
her.
can't hear her.
Okay, I hardly use Google Meet. Is that can somebody tell me how to do this to make her talk? I use Zoom most of the time. I don't use Google Meet. Can anybody tell me how I can do it so that you guys can hear her talk? But you can see how beautiful Ayoife is, right? Can you all see how beautiful Ayoife is? And can you see
Yes.
something on her chest? Can you see what's on her dress? Can you
I
see our creative AI teacher? Can you see our
yes.
green Ankara hoodie? Everything shows Nigerian. Everything represents look at her swag. So hey, this girl has swag. Oh. Please, ma, can anybody suggest how I can make? I want you guys to hear Ayoife talk because she's ready for you all today. Oh my god, she's ready for you all. Can any?
Um,
Okay, ma.
sincerely, I can't. I'm not when it comes to those things. I can't really
Well, okay, let
help.
me
So,
try.
mm,
I don't really use. I use if it's Zoom now. I know everything about Zoom, but I don't know much about. I don't know much about her. Okay, but I'm gonna be saying what she's saying because I actually added what's it called caption under it. So I'll be saying what she's saying for now. But at the end of the class, I'm gonna send this video to um Mrs. Oladeji so she can share it with you all. Would you love to have Ayoife? Would you love to have this video? Let me know. Anybody? Would you all love to have this video?
Yes, ma.
yes.
Okay, so for now, I'm gonna be saying what she's saying. Okay, so just watch Ayoife. I'll be teaching you how to create beautiful images using artificial intelligence. Don't worry, it's simple and fun. Let's begin. Okay, so you can also the screen, right? Artificial intelligence is the full meaning of AI. Can we all say that? Can we all say that? Artificial intelligence. Yes, it's the full meaning
Artificial
of AI.
intelligence is the
Exactly.
full
It's the
meaning
full
of
meaning of
AI.
AI. Exactly. So if you go anywhere and they ask you, what is AI? Aha, you're able to tell them that it's artificial intelligence. So it's a smart technology that helps us create things. So any smart technology that helps us create things, we call it what? AI. And AI, we can create pictures, videos, and design with AI. Let's continue. Helps us create things, yeah, and design. Now, why is AI important? Why did Seedtime Foundation organize this training for us? Okay, why should we learn AI? Number one, AI shows
Anu,
us. I have a gift to
hello, Anu.
ma,
Hello.
ma.
There's a background noise coming from you.
Oh, really? Oh, I'm
I
sorry.
think so,
Let
or
me
maybe
check.
it's
Oh, let me check. How about now? Is that better, please? How about now?
melody.
Ma.
Melody, mute.
It's not
Melody,
from me
mute.
because
Let's see.
I've switched up.
Everybody should mute.
Yeah, I've switched up everything, so it can't be from me. How about now? It's not from me then.
Yeah, it's okay. So go ahead.
Okay. Oh my, I was scared. So why is Seedtime Foundation telling us to learn AI? Because number one, AI solve problems. And then you might be wondering, how does AI solve problems? What kind of problems can AI help us solve? Don't worry, relax. I'm here for you. Number two, AI gets us future ready. What do you want to become in the future? Do you know that AI can help you? Ma, do you know that today I want a scholarship to learn AI and automation? You see, I'm preparing for the future already. That's what AI can do for you. And number three, as you can see here, more opportunities. Do you want to make money with AI? Do you know you can make money with AI? So these are the three things that AI can do for you. Please note, because I'm going to be asking questions at the end of this class. And the person that wins is going to get a big gift from me for the future. And number three, so you can hear how you can use it for schoolwork. We can use AI for business ideas and even daily tasks. And AI also prepares you for the future. You can learn digital skills, lots of digital skills. It can help you think smarter and get ready for future jobs. This girl is the best teacher. You can make money with AI. You can create content, and then you can start your own business with AI. Now, have you seen the stories online that they use AI to create? Have you seen those videos?
Yes, quite
Like
a number of them.
quite a number of them. So you can see, and if their pages are monetized, they will make a lot of money. Even YouTube now, we have faceless YouTube content that you can create. You can create a faceless YouTube channel where you would not, they won't see your face. You will just create AI videos or AI content. Do you understand? And so now it says there are different types of AI. This is very important. There are different types of AI. AI is large. Artificial intelligence is deep, as big, as wide, as fat, as everything you can think of. So we have three types of AI. We have generative AI, that's number one. We have predictive AI, that's number two. And we have automation AI. Hope you are noting it down. Are you writing it down? Oh, she's already recording the class. And so, but note this is very important. Generative AI, predictive AI, and automation AI. And for this class, we will be focusing on generative AI. Generative AI creates images, videos. Predictive AI guesses what will happen. Automation AI does stuff automatically. I'm going to explain these three things for you so you can understand it better. Generative AI is the kind of AI we use to create videos, images, and designs. So those images you see online, videos you see online, they are all made with what? Generative AI. And then predictive AI guesses what will happen. And you're wondering, how is that possible? Now, this is what it does for you. Predictive AI, just from the word predictive, it predicts, it suggests. Do you understand? So take for example, if you have an homework, you can use predictive AI for it. You can say, AI, please can you help me solve this? Do you think this is the answer? If you have any question, you can ask AI. That's predictive AI. Do you know, last December when I traveled to Cotonou, that was my first time traveling to Cotonou. I used ChatGPT as my travel guide. Are you surprised? ChatGPT helped me to get hotels. ChatGPT helped me to curate a beautiful travel experience, told me where to visit, and you won't believe it. The hotels were perfect. I just had to call the numbers I saw on the hotel flyers, and then all the places ChatGPT suggested for me to visit, I actually went there, and I had a great time in Cotonou. So that is also one of the functions of predictive AI. I hope you're learning something. This class is too quiet for my liking. Can somebody unmute and tell me that you're learning something?
Yes,
Yes.
All right, so that's predictive AI. Now, number three is automation AI. Automation AI is a no-go area. Like automation AI is like your Siri, your Alexa, your I'm sorry, somebody's trying to tell me that's right. Your Ella, your what's it called? On Samsung you have Ella. On iPhones, I think it's Siri, and then on then we have Alexa. So those are automation AI. And then we also have Google Assistant. Do you get the point? So those are that's an example of automation AI. They are AI that will build like your websites, your apps. Those are very deep. You need a lot of extra learnings to learn. Sometimes you have to learn coding and other stuff for. automation AI. But now we have extensive AI that can help you. Like on International Women's Day, which was I think was it March 6th? Who remembers?
March
International Women's Day,
8th.
March 8th, yes. A particular AI gave everybody or every woman 24 hours free to create websites and apps. Hmm. I mean, that software is very expensive. Like the monthly bill, I think it's about $100 or something. So imagine opening their app free for 24 hours. And can you guess what? That particular day, I created 6 apps. That day, like I created 6 apps and I created 2 websites. Can you imagine? Is that not oversabi? Because it was free. It was free. I'm going to show you the app so you can see that I am not yet to joke. If you can see my screen, you're going to see the apps. Can you see these apps right here? SPV Music. Can you see? Oh my God. Can you see? I created these apps. Yeah, these are AI apps. Look at this one, SPV Music. Can you see? Oh my God, look at my app. With AI, I did not do coding. I didn't pay 300,000 naira. I didn't pay a dime. Oh my God, look at my app. Look at it. This is you have learn, practice. You see, this is one app I created without knowing anything. That is what AI can do for you. Look at this is a Spanish learning app. I'm learning Spanish and I have exam in May. Oh my God, God help me. So I had to create a Spanish learning app to help myself. Can you see that? Start learning. Oh my God, look at that. Oh my God. Can you see that? This one is edit, but it is a video editing app. So if you're not into video editing, this can you see SPV Video AI? Oh my God. And this one is like an AI app like ChatGPT, Gemini. Can you see that? And then this is a French learning app. I'm going to share those apps with all of you after this class. So let's continue to IFA, everybody. Let's continue to IFA. So those are the 3 types of AI that we have. Now, for this class, we'll be learning generative AI. Can anybody tell me what generative AI is? Anybody? Can you tell me what generative AI is?
Generative AI is the AI that is used for creating things such like pictures, videos, and designs.
Oh my, bravo. That was so good. Yes, that's generative AI. From the word generative, it means to generate. Do you understand? To create, to bring out something from nothing. That's what generative AI is all about. Are you fair? I generated her. I created her from nothing. How did I do this? Look at this video. She's talking. Oh, this girl is not real. Oh, can you see her? She's not real, but she looks so real. If you see this video anywhere, you might think she's a real human being. Do you know that some people online, when they see me, they even ask me, "Where is Ayoife?" I remember I met somebody recently, and the person was like, "Ah, where is Ayoife?" I was like, "Oh, Ayoife is not real," but because she look at her, she looks so real. And she can do anything. So that's generative AI. You can use generative AI to create anything. So far, you can imagine it. I tell my students, if you can imagine it, then you can create it. Don't forget that line. Write it somewhere. Write it on your sticker pads and paste it everywhere in your room or anywhere. If you can think it or if you can imagine it, then you can create it. Let's continue. And design. Yes. You can use AI, generative AI to create it. Exactly. All those images were not drawn by hand. Right? They were all created using generative AI. You can create pictures, anything. Now, this is very important, and this is where people get it wrong. Somebody said reached out to me yesterday and said, Anu, I'm having issues with prompts. Can you help me? Now, to create generative AI or whatever, there's something that we need. Like this is like the key. Can you say key? If you can say, don't worry, you don't need to unmute, just say it out wherever you are. You need like prompt. This is the key. This key is called prompt. So the key to generative AI or for generative AI is called prompt. Can we all say prompt? Can we all say prompt? Yes, prompt. Do not forget this. Prompt is like how will I put it? Like text, a long, it could be long, it could be short, it could be any number of words that you put inside the AI tool and then it creates something for you. Do you understand? That is what prompt is. A prompt is what we tell the AI to create. So if we tell Yeah, so if you tell it clearly, it will give you a beautiful result. So it means that your prompt must be very, very clear. So if I want to create something like Ayoife, that means I have to describe Ayoife in a very clear way so that the AI can understand what I want. Do you understand? Do not forget, AI is a model. AI is like a robot. So it's whatever you tell it that you're going to get. So if you're not explicit enough, it's going to give you another thing. Are we learning something? Now, it's very important for us to learn the theory. You might be asking yourself, this story is too much. Can we just get to it right now? But it's very important that you learn all these things. Very important. Now, there are three elements of prompts that you must never forget. And because we are all, children, teenagers, I had to create this acronym WSW. Can we all say WSW? Can we all say that? WSW. Those are the WSW. Yes, WSW. Those are the three elements of prompt. What, style, and where. Can we all say that? What, style, and where. Can we all say that? Can we all
What?
say that?
What?
Style,
Yeah.
yes, what, style, and where. So these are the elements of AI, of prompts rather. So before you create anything, first of all, what do I want to create? That is the what. Do you understand? What means what? What is in your mind? What do I want to create? You can't just go to ChatGPT or Gemini and just type something. No. And that's what I tell my students. Don't just create. If you want your work to be distinct, if you want people to look at your image and just be gobsmacked, like just stay there looking at the image, you need to, first of all, sit down. What do I want to create? Do I want to create a boy? Do I want to create a girl? Do I want to create a cartoon? Do I want to create a design? Do I want to create a flyer? Do I want to create the sky? Do I want to create a bag? Do I want to create a landscape? Do I want to create anything? So W, what, is very important. Let's go to number two, style. Number two is style. How do you want the what to be? Do you understand? Do you want it to be realistic, futuristic, landscape, pizza, etc. etc. Do you understand? Very important. So I want to create a girl. That is my what. And then the style. How do I want the girl to look? And then I'm going to ask myself, oh, I want Ayoife to be a 6 years old girl. This is Ayoife's logo. Anywhere you see Ayoife, her hair is always packed in two bonds. Okay? And anywhere you see Ayoife, she's light skinned. Do you understand? So I have that picture. Do you understand that this is what, and this is the style I want Ayoife to have or to look like? And then number three is where. Where is it happening? In a room, in a studio, in a big space, in school, anywhere. All right. So your where is, where do you want her to stand? Do you just want to create an image that is standing in the sky or in the space? Or I want to create her in a classroom? Look at Ayoife now. Can somebody tell me the three, like explain this three to me? Anybody? The what, the style, and the where. Look at the where in this picture. Ayoife is sitting in a what? Modern studio. She has a laptop in front of her. Do you understand? That is the where. The what is I want to create a girl. The style is she's 6 years old. Do you understand? And she has her hair is packed in two buns. She's light skinned. She's wearing a earring. She's wearing an Ankara hoodie with text. Ayoife creative AI teacher on the hoodie. That is my style. And where she is sitting in a studio background. Do we understand this, everybody? Can we all mute and let's discuss? Let's discuss this thing.
Yes,
Can
ma'am.
we discuss these things? Yes. Can somebody also explain these three elements of prompt for me? Anybody? Can you explain the three elements of prompt?
Okay, the what element means that what do I want to create using AI?
Perfect.
While the S, the style means that how do I want my what to be? How do I want
That's
my
style.
AI to be?
Exactly.
Yes, to be realistic, to to know how it's going to look, how it's going to, how people are going to react to it, and
Mm-hmm.
the
The
Where?
where.
Where is where is it happening? Like your Ayo Ife now. Like it is sorry, she is sitting a model in a modern
Studio.
studio. Yes. Okay.
Oh my God. Can we all clap for Grace? Somebody else want to talk?
Yes,
Somebody else
ma.
want to say something?
The
Okay.
practical
We
Ma,
can hear you, Melody.
alright, ma. What's in the element of prompt? In my own understanding, you said that it's what do I want to create? Is it
Mm-hmm.
a girl? Is it a boy? Is it
Yes.
a cartoon? Then you said the style. How do you want to design? Do I want it to be realistic or pixar or something like that? Then the where. In my own word, I wrote it down as the location first. Where do I want the location to be? The setting rather. Do I want the setting to be in a studio? Is it a school? Is it in a classroom? Then what should be in that particular setting? That's what I understand by it's ma.
I'm clapping for you all. That was superb. Now I want to show you these images I created yesterday. On Saturday, there was a festival in Ogun State. That's Lisabi Festival. It was a show of culture, and so I saw some of those pictures online, and I picked them, and I told myself I can recreate Ayo Ife and her friends wearing this exact. Now look at this. Is this not beautiful? Can we also
it
this
is.
image on my screen? Can somebody explain with the elements of prompts what you can see here? With the elements of prompts, what you can see here. Can somebody explain?
Okay.
Okay, Bitola. Anybody? Is somebody talking? I'm hearing different voices. I mean,
I can see the style and
okay,
the
you
what.
can see the style. Okay, can you
Yes,
tell me
and
the
the what.
what? Tell me the what. Let me see. Let me see how good you are, Grace.
The what is like is the people there. Like people in
Thank
the
you very much.
picture.
I love that. Yes, you can see that the basic people here is what Ayo. They are Ayo Ife and her friends. These four
Yes,
ladies,
ma'am.
four girls. That's the word. And then the style, they are wearing this what? This ashoke, and the wear. Look at them. They are sitting down in a large open space. Look at this one. Can you see how gorgeous they look? Can you see that? Now this look at this. This is the main picture that I saw online. Can you see this picture? Can you see this picture, everybody?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So I saw this picture. Let me see. Can you see them here? Can you see how I created that picture? So I used that picture to create this one with Ayoife and her friends. So to tell you that there is no limit to what you can create. Look at your girls here. See your girls. See Ayoife and her, see Ayoife and her friends here now. And so you can create. Look at Ayoife and her friends here too. Can you see that? So you can create anything creatable with AI. Do you understand? So because this class is a short class, from our second class, I don't know if it's going to be next week, but we are now going to go to the practical fully. And you all will be able to create as many pictures as you like. And it's very easy. Before that class, I'm going to send a list of apps that you should download, or you can use them on web. You can use them on the web version. You don't need to download apps. They are all available on web, like your Chrome, your browser. Do you understand? Does anybody have a question? Now everybody look at this. Look at the chibi style of Ayoife. Do you like this one, or you prefer the original one? Which one do you like, this chibi style or the other one?
I prefer this one.
You prefer this? Look at my girls.
No,
Look,
no, no.
my girls. Look at what you are doing to me. I'm not happy. Oh. You are
No,
choosing
I
the you are choosing the chibi style.
just like this one. It's kind of cute.
You said?
I just kind of like this one because it's kind of cute and it's
Oh
looking.
my God.
It's
I
very
also love
beautiful.
it. I also love it. So I'll be creating stuff with this chibi style. I think I love it. I think that the thing is that you can use them for different contents. You get. You can
Yes,
use,
my
yeah, you can use them for different content. So I want you to I want to have answer questions now. If you have, I'm just showing you different things. I have a lot of things to do every day, you know. Look at these are what I had an AI training last week, Friday and Saturday. Look at things my students created. This looks so real, as if it's Oshodi, right? But this is an AI image. Can you see that? They even wrote Ojuelegba right here. Oh my god! And this is not real. Can you see this? Can you see how real this looks? And this is AI. Look at what they wrote. Wale Ojuelegba Marina. Oh my god, it's so funny. So these are the image. Okay, no, these are not AI images. So look at, I created this one too. This is Ayoife in like a twins. I just created this Ayoife in 4 different poses with her twin sister. I gave her a twin. Look at this. Isn't this gorgeous? So I run a brand, an AI brand called Asha Bayanu. So in Asha Bayanu, we create African prints. Look at this. This is Udi style in different colors. So I create different fashion outfits for girls. Okay, so I'm waiting for your questions. Melody, Grace, let me have your questions. I still have my gift for somebody. Oh. I created this with AI too. You can see Ayoife TV. See Ayoife, yeah. Ayoife, look at that, she's singing, yeah. Oh my God, I can't wait for you all to start creating. Oh. All right, so can I have questions? Do we have questions?
okay, ma. Excuse me, Mama. I have a question.
All right,
Okay, Mama.
I'm here
What
for you.
just like this generative AI, you said that it's about creating images, videos, and designing. So my question is that is the app you create maybe the application you are using, that is
Okay.
where you be able to generate the words, just like the girl you created Adeyife now.
Yes.
Like, was it on like you created her on the application?
Exactly. Yes. I mentioned that for our next class, we'll start what? Creating. I'm going to send that video that your first video. I will send it to Mrs. Oladeji so you can watch it over and over again to grasp the real meaning of AI, especially generative AI. Do you understand? So we have apps. If now, guess what? When I started AI, we only had about 3 to 4 apps. We had Remini, then we had Agent, we had Vidnos, and then we had I think just those 3 or 4 AIs. And now before you know it, now we have over 100 apps. Can you beat that? Over 100 apps. Do you understand? So, and I cannot give you all those 100 apps. I would give you just about 2 to 3 apps, 2 or 4 to 5 apps that you can explore. Do you understand? And let me tell you something, they all will generate different things for you. Do you get the point? No exact prompts will give you the same results. So if I use the same prompt for IOFA and I put this prompt that I used to create this picture to another app, do you understand? Do you understand it? So every app will give you different results. So you will just keep creating and know the app that works for you. Have I answered your question, Melody?
Yes, ma. Thank you very
All
much,
right.
ma.
Thank you. Any other question? Any other question, please? I'm sorry for taking your time for going beyond. Any
No
other? I'm
man.
showing you different IFS style. I'm waiting, please. Any other question? No question again, Ke. Why now?
There are
I have a
questions.
question.
There's a hand up. Yeah, go
I
ahead.
have a
Oh, okay,
question.
okay, please. All right, I'm listening.
Okay, so at my school we had a program
Okay.
about this AI and everything like that. So we use one particular website, Flow.
What they tell me? All right, Flow TV.
That's laptop.google.com.
All right.
Yeah. So we use that. But when I was like, trying it at home, because the man said we should upload a picture, then we should like use the picture instead of like generating the picture from the website. But it wasn't working.
Okay. Wow. All
Yes.
right.
So like I want to
I love this question so much. You know why? Because Flow just brought out an upgrade that is a bit complex. Do you understand my point? The former Flow was so easy to use and understand. But this new upgrade is a bit complex. And where you're going to upload the image is different. It's now up. It's no more down. So that might be where you're mixing it up. Do you understand? But do not worry. I'm here for you all. We're going to learn flow, okay? And that is another part when we get to video generation. That particular thing you're talking about is called video image to video AI. Is also part of generative AI. But now, instead of using text, like what we've learned here, we now use image. Just like I use this image you're seeing on the screen. I use this image to create this video. Let me see where the video is. I think I saw the video somewhere. Look at the video. Can you see this video? So that is called image to video AI. I use that IFS image to create. So this is something like you do with Flow. Okay, Flow is an AI app that you'll get to learn later. Thank you so much for that question. I'm so grateful. Hope I answered your question very well.
Yes, ma.
Did I answer your question very well? Yeah, thank you. Another question.
Yes, ma.
Okay. Any other question? Any other question, please?
No, ma.
Okay, so I'm going to ask my own question now. So the person is going to get my gift, and my gift is 5,000 naira. My gift is 5,000 naira. So get ready for get ready for my question. Oh. My question is three in one question. Can somebody give me a summary of this class, like a very descriptive summary of this class? Anybody?
Ah, Emma,
Okay, let's go, Melody.
you said that. Can I go on?
Yes, yes, go on.
Then you said that you told us first you started from what AI is. You told us that it's artificial intelligence. That's the full meaning. Then
Yes.
you also told us about how AI can solve problems. What kind of problems does AI help us solve? Then about our future too. What do we want to become? And also, you also spoke about if we will be wanting to use AI to make money. Then you also said AI also helps to learn digital skill and it also helps in creating content, starting business and to think smartly. Then you taught us about the types of AI. Well, to me, I never knew that AI has different types, but thanks to you today. Then you told us the difference between generative AI, predictive AI, and automation AI.
Okay.
You said generative AI creates images, videos, and designs. Predictive AI guess what will happen, and it's mostly used for assignments. Then automation AI, it does tasks automatically using Siri as an example. Then you spoke on prompting, which you said is the key. You said that prompting is what we tell AI to create, and whenever we tell it clearly to give us a very beautiful result. Then finally, you spoke about the element of prompt, that's WSW. And you said what is W, first W, which is what's in our mind, what to do, what do I want to create. Then the style, how do I want to design this? Do I want it to be realistic? And so on. And lastly, you spoke on the last W, where the setting, the location, and the things you want in the background. That's all I've learned, ma. Thank you, ma.
My God, I'm mind blown. Please, can we all give her a round of applause? That was awesome. Can we all give her a round of applause? You're already a prof. You're already a professor in AI. I'm so proud of you. So you've won my gifts for today. Melody, you've won my 5,000 naira for today. Can you also clap for yourself? Before we go, or before I hand over to Mrs. Oladeji, can I tell you that that video I created, AI was the one that helped me to do it. And I'm going to show you. This is my best app, ChatGPT. And I'm going to show you something you can also do with AI. I'm going to show you from here. Can you see this? You can see this place. Okay, so sorry, not here. I want to show you something. Morning greetings and vibes. This is A2 Dell exam prep. I set ChatGPT to wake me up or notify me every morning and night for my exam prep. And I'm going to click on it. You see something? Can you see? When you're okay, wait, sorry. Can you see? Attend your see. Oh my god, I'm so shy. I've missed classes. And you guys have seen my secrets. Attend your night Spanish class. Can you see that?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, please don't make jest of me. Don't make jest of me. I've been busy. I have exam and I'm looking at attend your morning Spanish class. Attend your night Spanish class. Can you see the reminders every day? And if I type I am here or Esther Aki in Spanish, it will say, "Oh, you are welcome." So there are things that is even beyond creating images and designs. Do you understand? You can train your AI to do anything. Can you see my creative queen? That's what AI calls me. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at that name now. Look at that name. You showed up. Can you see? That's what matters. And so look at this. Apart from that, look at morning greetings. I'm going to show you this. I create this morning devotion flyer every day and I share it with my friends with AI. All I have to do, I don't do anything. Look at what it says. Can somebody read this part for me? Sorry. It says when you are ready, say create flyer. I don't type anything because it knows. Do you see how I've trained my AI every morning and night? It knows that it
Wow.
must create flyer. Do you understand? And look at this place too. When you are ready, say create flyer. It must say it every time. So these and more are what you can do with AI. AI can be your French teacher, your math teacher. You can be having classes with AI. Can you see our morning devotion? Every morning. Good morning, my creative king, queen. You are here again. Consistent. Oh my god. Consistency. Clap for me now. Be consistent. And intentional. Let's begin. Morning devotion. Then we'll create flyer. Then I'll share with my friends, share it on my status and everywhere. All right. I think we have come to the end of this class. Let's hand over to Mrs. Oladeji. I'm sorry for taking your time. Oh my god.
Oh, awesome, awesome, awesome. Oluchi, your hand is up. Do you have a question or you're okay?
Okay, ma'am.
You're good. Okay. So I just want one or two people to say something about today's class. Comments. Who would like to say something? Just tell us what you
Um,
feel about it. Okay, yeah, Tosi, go ahead.
okay. So this class is a beginner's class. When we did the AI stuff in my school, the man just went straight to the creating of videos, generating of pictures and videos. Like this one is like enlightening me about the basics because I haven't even learned the basics before. The man like just jump. So I actually because it was engaging and she was like trying to converse with us. She wasn't just teaching us, she was asking us questions and showing us things that she has done and she would like us to do. So I like it.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Tosi, for that feedback. Any other person who would like to say something before we end the class? Thank you, Tosi. Okay, I can't see any hand up. I would actually like some of you to contribute in this class. So next week or next lesson, we hope things will be better. So from me, I can say this has been quite educative. And, I've learned a lot that I didn't really know myself, like Tosi said. And thank you very much. Thank you very much, Anu, for
Welcome,
making
ma'am.
it an interactive class. Thank you for making it engaging, and I'm sure we're looking forward to all the materials you want to send to us
Yes,
and
ma'am.
for us to start, playing around with the things. So, girls, what I want to say to you is first and foremost, thank you for coming. Auntie Jumoke, thank you for staying and watching to the very end of the session. What I want to say to you is that you need to practice, you need to find time to practice. So all the information you would require, I will post it on the chat group. And I hope that by the next time we're having this class, we will have something to show and to share with her. This is what we've done. This is so beautiful. So my own question is that the way we're going with AI, so Are we just going to be looking? We won't be seeing ourselves anymore. We'll only be seeing photographs of AI images, right? See this girl, man. See the dance steps. Wow. Amazing. Amazing.
Oh my
This is, she's so cute. So
God.
thank you very much, everybody, for
Thank you,
joining.
mom.
And thank you so much, Anu, for today's class. So
It's a big pleasure, mom. I'm so
and
grateful.
can we all give the emoji of let's clap anything nice that you want to any I will do this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. Deborah, I
Thank
didn't
you
hear you
so
say
much.
anything. Yeah, so we love you so much. We
Me too.
appreciate you and thank you so much for today.
You're welcome,
Um,
mom.
yeah, God bless you. So
Amen.
Deborah is saying thank you, ma. All right. So see you next class.
Okay,
And
mom.
then everybody, please for the assignment, you will just give us some instructions about what to
Yes,
do.
I'll do that, mom.
Yeah. All right. Thank you very much.
Yes,
God
mom.
bless you all for attending this session and
Amen.
have
Thank
enjoy the
you.
rest of your evening.
Thank you
Bye.
so much, mom.
Bye bye.
Me
Oh,
too, man.
Grace.
Yeah.
Grace went out. Okay, she's back. Okay. Good night, everybody. God bless you.
Bye.
So thank you all, Grace, for participating actively. Bisola. Who is this Debbie the voice? All right, bye-bye, everybody. I'd like to stop recording. Good night.